today's video how to add MusicBot to your Discord server. You must be server owner or have administrative permissions to add bot to the server. Next, launch Discord on your desktop or mobile device. Navigate to server where you want to add MusicBot. At the top left of screen, click on server name, and from drop-down menu select server settings. In server settings menu, find and click on apps directory to browse available apps and bots. In the search bar, type Greenbot to locate MusicBot. Click on Greenbot icon from the search results. Once on the Greenbot page, click on Add to Server. If prompt, select server you want to add Greenbot from drop-down list and ensure you're on the right server and press Continue. Check permissions that Greenbot will require. Once you review and are comfortable with permissions, click on Authorized to proceed. If prompt, complete CAPTCHA. After authorization, you should see success message indicated that Greenbot has been added. You can now exit app directory and return to your server. Join voice channel in your server where you want music to be played. In the text channel, you will use command to control bot. Type command followed by song or URL and wait for bot to search and start playing song. To add more songs to queue, simply type and again follow by another song name. Use pause to pause music and resume to continue playing. If you want skip track, use skip to move to the next song in the queue, and you can also stop music.